Today we'll be going over these super smooth After Effects video animations that you can use for your logos or other creative tasks that you have here in Final Cut Pro. On the screen here is our website, www.b3-studios.com, where you can find plenty of plugins. Some are free and some you have to pay for, but we have a whole lot that you can definitely use to enhance your workflow in Final Cut Pro. Now let's get right on into the video for today. Okay, so I'm going to show you two different ways to do this effect with this plugin. And there's plenty of other ways to use this plugin other than the ways I'm going to show you. But if you guys want me to make more videos with this plugin and different ideas, you can just comment below. But I'm just going to show you what generally you can use this for. So I'm going to grab my logo. And I'm going to scale my logo down a little bit. And my logo is transparent. If you don't have a transparent logo and it's just a regular square here, you can just mask it out. And if you want me to do a video on that, I can do that as well. Just comment below. But we are going to go to the Effects tab after you download this plugin, and it will be under B3 Studios plugins, and the After Effects motion animation is here right here. You're going to drop that on your logo. And what's cool about this is you have a lot of different options, as you can see here in the inspector panel. It's flying in from the left right here. That's the animation. So as I play this back, such a smooth animation going in. And it's fading out. But I have the option to do different things. So I can turn up the motion blur to make it really have that After Effects animation look. Let's just play this back with the motion blur turned up a little bit. Let me turn it up to about 71. Has that really good motion blur. We have different options here. We can fly from the right. We can fly from the top. Let's do fly from the top. We can fly from the bottom. So yeah, this is a great plugin. And just to give you a different perspective, I'll do it on a different background. So let me go grab a solid white. And I'm going to use my black logo. I'm going to scale it down. I'm going to do the same exact thing. Drag the plugin onto. I'm going to turn the motion blur up. Let's have it. Fly from the bottom. Very smooth animation. And you can choose how you want it to animate out. Fly to the top. Let's try that, and let's shorten this length. Yeah, it's a really great way to just easily drag and drop a effect onto a clip, and it has the smooth animations, just like After Effects. So yeah, I'm going to show you a different way to do this. If you are like shooting a music video or something like that, or just wanted to be creative, another way that you could do this. So I'm just going to have two clips here. Okay, so I'm going to press Command R to bring up the time. And I'm going to press hold right here. And I'm just going to cut this clip right here. And I am going to bring this clip up. And I am going to begin to mask this clip out. Just this car. So I'm going to go to the Effects tab, and I'm going to go to Mask and Keying. Draw mask, and just drag it on the clip. And I'm just going to mask around this car as best as I can. So I'm going to zoom in a bit. All right, once you're done with that, you want to take your second clip and you want to zoom in a little bit. And now you are going to bring this clip that you just cut out right here. And it's a little rough around the edges, so you can just click on this clip, go to the inspector panel, and you can feather this. So you can just bring the feather in a little bit so those edges won't be as rough. Now what we're gonna do is we are going to place this clip right in front of, right when this next clip is about to begin, right? And let me zoom back out. So this is where we're gonna add our After Effects plugin. So we're gonna go to our B3 Studios plugins, After Effects motion animation, and we're just gonna drag this on the clip. Okay, so you see it disappeared. So we have the option to make it fly from the left anywhere we want. We can just, let's go fly from bottom, because I like that one. I don't know why I like that one so much, but just none. All right. And as we play this back, all right, that took a little while, so let's shorten that. That was a lot better. You see how smooth it comes in, just like After Effects? Definitely a great plugin that I use a lot in my workflow, and it's very simple. You can just drag and drop it and mask out your object that you want to mask out. You can increase the motion blur to make it really even look realistic. Yeah, so this is one of my favorite plugins. It's on the website. You can go get that now. It's on sale as well. So I really appreciate you guys watching. If you guys have any questions, please comment below. Be on the lookout for some new videos. All right, thanks, guys.